we've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Casper is excited because he knows when he has on his harness, that means he gets to go outside. Good afternoon, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Nella, for those of you who don't know, and in today's video it is Saturday, and to be honest, I woke up late. I really wanted to go out of town today, but I woke up late and I don't feel like driving so far or driving too far, so I'm just gonna run some errands with Casper. Is with me. He's in the back. You can't see him because he's playing around in his, space, but he's actually in the back. If he pops up his head, then I will show you guys. Casper? Oh, I guess he doesn't want to pop up his head. So yeah, he's playing with his toy in the back, and we're just gonna do some errands. I feel like because I can carry him out, because I don't have to go work or anything, even if the places will let him inside, I can at least give him a drive out so that he's not always just housed up and booed up in the house. Alright guys, because he's so used to it. Like when he saw me getting ready to leave today, he just sat down waiting for me to go, and then because he's used to me leaving him and coming back. So that is what we're doing today. I don't have much to do. I don't even know what I plan to do. We will see.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
Alright guys, so we are at All That Matters so that we can check out holiday homeware, cookware, or to find anything that may be useful to us this holiday season.
always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, low lights out of sight. Long way, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming.
So guys, I went to All That Matters Outfitters to pick up some homeware stuff. I've always heard about it, and I had an idea of where it is because, you know, I'm familiar with Havendale and that area, even though I don't go there often anymore. But I'm familiar with the area, so I went and I checked out what they have, and they have some really cute stuff. I think of them like, you know, the Uptown, even though they don't necessarily have Uptown prices, but like the Uptown version of like Azans, where they have the same affordable products, the same prices, the same, you know, items, similar, very cute, very, you know, dainty, very beautiful. You can get some really nice stuff for affordable prices. But apart from that, when did pots become so expensive? Dear Jesus, everywhere I go to Azans, I go to all that matters, I go to Courts. Like, when did cooking become so expensive? Oh God, food expensive, cooking expensive, gas expensive. It is so expensive to live. But yeah, Casper is still in the back. I don't know if you guys can hear him panting, but he's in the back. He does not want to come up. I guess he's doing his own thing in the back. But at the end, I want to take him for a walk. So that's one of the main reasons why I brought him with him. I'm trying to get these stuff done within like an hour, because it's not much that I want to do. So I'm going to try and do those quickly, and then I want to take him for a little walk, a little trip somewhere where he can, you know, be his little doggy self. He's finally come up. Finally decided to pop up.
Let it snow, let it snow.
No 100 go away. So this is where we ended up. Took Casper to the beach. Hi. Hi, boy. No, come. Stay here. I don't even know what Casper is doing. I gave him his treat and he somehow buried it in the sand, and now he's looking for it. Look at him. I brought him a treat. I don't think he loves them, but he likes them well enough. No, he lost it. He found it, guys. He found it. So now he's having it. So Casper and I are at the beach. I found out that apparently Casper does not like horses, because when the horse came back with the people riding on it, he started barking at the horse. Like with other people around, he never really barked at people, but with the horse, dog was going ham. Like, I don't know, maybe it's a male horse, because I know that males don't really like males, so maybe it's a male horse. Day, but I'm not going to swim. I'm not swimming. I didn't bring my swimsuit at all. I just wanted to carry Casper forward. He's afraid of the waves. Yeah, he's afraid. Casper does not like horses. This is his response to the horse. Let's go. So I'm trying to get Casper to leave. Casper? And beach closes at 5. And it's like after 4. I figured I should just try and go home, try beat the traffic. This dog is living his best life, and he's not leaving this premises. Come, let's go. Come. So guys, we just left the beach and are heading back home. Like there were two girls who Casper was trying to leave with. Like, how you gonna do me like that, sir? How you gonna do me like that? I thought I was your main squeeze, your only squeeze. He was really trying to follow behind them and leave with them. Can't believe it. And the girl rightfully identified him as a shipoo as well too. So yeah. Back into the Kingston rain. You saw the difference, like more Kingston, like raining. Casper and I are home from the beach. It's like after 6, but the place is already looking so dark. But yeah, so we got our KFC. So I'm gonna have my dinner, and then I'll show you guys what I got at All That Matters before I close out this vlog. But for now, I need to clean up. Like, I've been on the road all day with the dog, so you know, I feel dirty. Alright, y'all, come get y'all's dog. You see how I'm laughing? He comes home from the beach and forgets how to act. Pees on my whole ground instead of using his designated spot. How rude. Anyways, I just cleaned it up. But talk to y'all's dog. Talk to y'all's dog. Alright guys, so I'll show you what I got from All That Matters before I close out this vlog, and then I'll just go and clean up and wash off all of what I had going on for today. So this is what I got from All That Matters. I just picked up some houseware stuff because I'm getting ready to go into the whole holiday Christmas season, and you know that means like baking and stuff like that. So I want to try my hand at new things since I'm living in my own place and all. So I think I'm gonna try out some baking and some other little stuff. Alright, so let's see. So when I went, I got this black bag. That's the bag that they made because silly me forgets her whole forgets my reusable bag. So first thing I got is this. This is a cookie tin sheet, and this was $360 plus tax for this. The second thing I got is this baking tin, just like for muffins and cupcakes, and this one was $1,070 for these 6. All right. The first thing that I got was, let me just put these down and then I'll show you what else I got. The first thing I got is this pot. Comes with a cover, and it was for $2,970. It's like one of the cheaper ones, and it's non-stick, so it says. So let's see. I am getting a new pot set because I haven't gotten any pots. And I am getting a new pot set, but it hasn't reached Jamaica yet because I bought it online because it's a lot cheaper to buy. Like, I got it for under $50, and that's what they're selling like one pot for in Jamaica. And I got an entire set for under $50. So anyways, and the last thing I bought were these silicone mini bakeware muffin things. I guess they're supposed to be reusable for like cupcakes and stuff like that, and muffins. I'm gonna try it. So I got it to match with the tins that I got, and I got 6 of them. All right, those are the last things that I got, and Casper is down here jumping on me because I don't know, he just forgets how to act nowadays. Convinced. Anyways, that is all for today. I went to Dunn's, but I never got anything because what I'm looking for is a computer chair that is comfortable and can meet all my needs, because as you guys can see, I don't have a chair for my computer table or my workstation, so I need a chair. All right, that is all for today's video. Hopefully I can get this up for you guys tomorrow, which is Sunday, so that I meet my Sunday schedule, and then I can continue doing this whole Nellamas thing. I'm trying to do as many videos as possible this entire, aiming for 12. Yes, I'm aiming for 12 videos. I don't know if I'll make 12, but that's what I'm aiming for. Alright guys, so thank you all for watching today's video. You are wonderful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe as we continue to grow together, so that me and Casper can start eating caviar and all kind of niceties, because you know, I'm a single mother of a dog. I'm a single canine mother who just wants to provide for her child. Alright guys, until next time, thanks so much for watching. Peace. Oh wait, I think now is probably the perfect time to just do this unboxing, because I picked this up for a while now. It's from Bath and Body Works, and it is some candles that I collected. Smells so delectable. Preparing for the holiday season. So the first one I got is Marshmallow Fireside. They all just smell good. I've smelled them already, and I can smell them now. The next one, Bourbon Maple. I'm gonna put down the box so that I can do a better unboxing. Alright? And just take them out and then show them to you. So this one is Pumpkin Waffle Pecan. This is Vanilla Pumpkin Marshmallow. This is Marshmallow Fireside. Ooh, the lighting. Can you guys even see? Ugh. And this is Bourbon Maple. These are giving me fall relaxation because I bought them in the fall. So, but I'm just, don't matter. From it smell good, it relaxing, and it will keep girl sweet, calm, and energized for the holiday season. Cozy up with me and my puppy. I am going to go get cleaned up, and then I'm going to go watch a Christmas movie because it is time. And y'all know about those Hallmark holiday movies, the Hallmark ones, the Up ones, the Lifetime ones, the Netflix ones. Yes, I know where to get all of the good, plus the classics, you know, like the Grinch Stole Christmas, You're a Mean One, Mr. Grinch, and you know, the Santa Claus, the Christmas with the Cranks, all of the classics. It's time. It's about to go down. Okay? Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time. Mwah. Peace.